Morning everyone and Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
It is Christmas right now and we have just got up.
In our matching PJs.
We are indeed. And Tula has joined us because it is time for Tula to open a Christmas present. Tula's favourite thing is a cardboard box. So her present is just in a box.
She knows. Come on then, is this for you? Is this for you? Sit down then, sit. What is it? What is it? Oh! Oh, are you gonna let me open it? Should I open it for you? Oh, what have we got? Oh, she's in the box. Oh, she's in it. Oh, okay. Should we? Oh, she's found it. Oh.
Ooh.
Okay, well, oh, she's broken the box.
Well, it's two favourite things, catnip and a box combined. Oh, there's a treat in there for her as well.
Oh, Merry Christmas, baby.
Tula, is this the best day ever? Okay guys, that Christmas dinner was a massive success. Do you reckon, Shah?
It was.
Yeah, I thought it was going to taste pretty shoddy, if I was honest.
Do you?
Yeah, I did not think that was going to taste good, but it did.
It was honestly, I think, the best Christmas dinner I've ever had.
I mean, that is high praise indeed.
Case for the chef.
So we are full to the brim with Christmas food. Charlotte made a stunning chocolate cake, which you would have seen. Yeah, that turned out a treat. It was from Nigella Lawson's cookbook, Nigella Christmas. Delicious. And now we are going to play some party games. Yeah, we're going to play some charades. And also, I seen something on my phone on the App Store called Dirty Doodles. And it's like where you draw all NSFW, is that the right term? Not safe for work, you know?
Yeah.
NSFW doodles for the other one to try and guess what it is. So it's basically like Pictionary, if anyone's ever played Pictionary, just with stuff that's probably not safe for work or for this vlog. Charlotte's ready to doodle away. We probably haven't spoken much about the situation here, but of course we are on our own, just the two of us, because it is 2020 and we are all in lockdown. This is probably the only year that we will ever get to spend Christmas Day, just me and Charlotte, on our own.
And Tula.
And Tula.
Don't forget our child.
Yeah, of course, yeah. But yeah, without going to like other family members. We usually go over to my sister's and have like this big party. So it is a much quieter one, but we are going to party as much as we can. I'm sure that you guys are probably in similar situations, and we would like to wish you all a very Merry Christmas and hope that you've had a good one, even though it's a very weird one, and a safe passage into the new year. Well guys, as you will have seen, we had a lot of fun on Christmas Day. It is now quite a bit later than that in the new year. It is 2021 and we're approaching the end of January. So yeah, a lot of stuff has happened in between Christmas Day and now, mostly work related. There's just been a lot of work to do and I am just setting up for a live session on this new app Dorian that I've been working for. Now I'm sure you guys will hear loads more about Dorian from me in the future on this YouTube channel, but right now I just wanted to show you kind of a behind the scenes of what we're up to, some really cool stuff, and yeah, it involves a lot of bits and bobs. I'm going to be having two laptops, going to be using Charlotte's laptop and my laptop to record video on the one, or a recording of my phone on the one, and recording my voice on the other. Reason being is I need to record the voices of the other guys who are joining in the live session, and my laptop will only record either them or me. So, two laptops. I think I've managed to get myself ready. I am going to put on this chain though, which Charlotte got me for Christmas, which says, I don't know if you can see it on camera there, see if it focuses on it, it says always. It's probably too small. Ah, there we go. So it's kind of like a Harry Potter reference, because me and Charlotte, as you probably well know, massive Harry Potter fans. And it also is just like sentimental to us because we always love each other. Okay, it is your 14th birthday and the last day of term before the summer holidays. So cast your votes, people. I wonder if anyone agrees with me. I think it's just going to be me on my own. Oh wow. Oh, okay. That is shocking. Agreeing to take a selfie with Beatrix seems to have propelled you up the social ladder. Well, I hope you all enjoyed that, guys. Thanks for playing it. Well guys, that was a really cool live session of Overworld on Dorian the other week. It is now Valentine's Day, and we did a really cool Valentine's photo shoot for Charlotte yesterday, and I will show you the pictures that we ended up with right now. As you can see, they came out amazing. Charlotte looked absolutely stunning. And if you're wondering why my hair looks so wacky right now, it is because I am about to take the clippers to it. Yeah, that's right, I've had enough of it, and I'm going to attempt to cut it myself. Now this is something I've never really done before. Charlotte did buy me some clippers for Christmas quite a good few years ago, and both of us tried clipping my hair at that point and we didn't really get that far. We both felt really unconfident doing it, so I ended up just going to the hairdressers shortly afterwards. But this obviously was pre-pandemic, and hairdressers were open at that point, and they are not right now, so I don't have any option other than to try and cut this thing myself. So it is either going to come out looking great and I'm going to be loving it, or it's going to come out looking absolutely terrible and I probably will be wearing baseball caps for the foreseeable future. Either way, I cannot leave it like this. Guys, I am not going to lie, I'm really happy with this haircut. It was a joint effort between me and Charlotte. I did the sides and she did the back because I couldn't quite reach the back there. And even though it's not like the kind of professional quality that I would get at a hairdresser, I think between us we did a pretty decent job. Let me know what you think of it in the comments below. Now I'm going to end this vlog soon, but before I do, I just want to talk to you guys about what I'm doing with this channel, because a lot of you are probably thinking, what is up with this channel? Where is this going? And I really don't blame you. In my channel banner and in my about section, it says that I love helping you guys create episode stories, and yet I have not uploaded an episode related video in over a year. Now before I tell you exactly what kind of direction I am going to take this channel in, I just want to explain a little bit about why that is and why I haven't even mentioned episode for so long. First of all, I was simply running out of ideas. I felt like I had created the vast majority of tutorials that I could think of, and I felt like I had created enough to allow anybody to create an episode story and even do some advanced stuff, and I really just wasn't sure what kind of tutorials to make anymore. Second of all, I was really focused on getting my novel Overworld finished in 2020, and that took up a lot of my time. Third of all, I was offered some paid work which I had to take because I needed to pay my bills, and I just had no time left to create any episode videos. In September last year, I thought a good way of keeping this channel going would be to record myself reading chapters of Overworld as audiobooks and release those alongside the release of the Wattpad version. But it was very clear that this is not the kind of content that you guys are looking for from me here on YouTube. Even though a small amount of you guys did really enjoy those videos, it was very clear to me that it just wasn't the kind of content you guys signed up for. I had encouraged you guys to subscribe to me as your episode teacher, and I was neglecting that role. Over the last year, I have got a lot of questions asking me, are you coming back to episodes? Are you going to be making more episode related videos? And I would like to say right here, right now, that the answer to that question is yes. Now, I don't know exactly what kind of episode videos I'm going to be making, but it'll probably be a mix of new tutorials and some more generic videos about the app. One thing you might have noticed is that recently I've been quite heavily involved with a new storytelling app called Dorian, which is really exciting. It's really easy to use and it has some very cool features like being able to comment on specific parts of stories and do live sessions with your friends. And I most likely will be making a few videos about that app as well, but I just want to make sure that you guys know that that is not instead of episode related videos, it will be on top of them. So that is all I'm going to say about this right now. For those of you who stuck by me during this drought of making episode videos, thank you so much for sticking around, even though I wasn't producing the kind of content that you really wanted to see. And with that in mind, what content would you like to see? Let me know in the comments below. Are there any tutorials you would like me to make? Is there anything you're still really stuck on with episodes? I would love to hear your thoughts. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching this vlog. I really hope you enjoyed it and I can't wait to see you all in the next video.